Lots of people want to know what Bowen can do for them. And again, that's kind of a difficult question to answer because everybody's different. And there are some people it won't do anything for. But for people it does help, the range of things it can do is huge and almost endless. So the first and most obvious thing it does is relieve muscle pain. And that might be in the form of backache or stiff neck or a frozen shoulder or tennis elbow, a whole range of soft tissue issues that cause you pain and discomfort, and you come along for a burn session and 1 or 2 sessions later and you might find that you have no pain at all. The other thing it can do, it relieves stress, partly because you just lie there for an hour and that's a pretty relaxing thing to do in itself, but also because it will release the muscle tension, and the muscle tension is where you are holding your stress. So you see a lot of people who walk around like this because they're very tight and tense, and then maybe they'll be grinding their teeth, so their jaw will be tight, and you just look at them and you think, oh, they really do not look comfortable. So it will take all of that away as well. Some of the moves are expressly designed to be relaxing as well, so they will make you feel really good, hopefully. What else can it do? It can help with hormone problems. So if you suffer from period pain, for example, period pain isn't really a hormonal problem, it's actually a muscle problem because the pain is caused by muscle contractions. So Bowen can help with that. But if you have, for example, very heavy periods because of hormonal issues, or if you are menopausal or perimenopausal, then it can help with hormone balance. It aids lymphatic drainage. What does that mean? It means it flushes your body. So you will have all sorts of rubbish floating around in your body from all that coffee and chocolate and wine and so forth that you've had. And your body's quite good at processing that and getting rid of it. But the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump in it, so sometimes it needs a bit of help, particularly if you're not able to be particularly mobile. So a bit of lymphatic drainage clears all of that out and just makes you feel better. It can also increase range of motion. So if you are stiff, whether that's because of an injury or because of age or because of some other factor, it can make you more flexible and easier to move, and that's got to be a good thing. What else can it do? It improves circulation, so that will make your muscles more active. It will also potentially give you more energy, and it will also conversely help you sleep. Quite a lot of people find they sleep really well for the first couple of nights after a burn session. What else can it do? Well, it can help emotional problems as well. So again, partly because of the stress relief, but just because it makes you feel good. You might not even be in pain at all, actually. Some people come along and they haven't really got anything wrong with them. They've just decided to give Bowen a go because they fancied the sound of it, and they feel amazing, which has to be a good thing. So it can be used to treat a muscle problem, it can be used to relieve stress, it can be used to improve overall well-being, it can be used to increase flexibility and range of motion, and it can also be used to reduce the effect of activity. So if you're going to be running a marathon, for example, you might find that if you have a burn session a couple of days beforehand, you will do a better time and you will recover more quickly from the exercise. So it's a hugely beneficial treatment. It can do a vast range of things. If you've got something wrong with you, why not give it a go? Or even if you haven't, maybe just feel good.